एक बहुत ही अनोखी चीज के बारे में जानने के लिए इट इज द डीडी डांस फेस्ट डांसिंग डैमसेल्स, जो एक रजिस्टर्ड नॉट फॉर प्रॉफिट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है एंड दे आर अ मल्टीकल्चरल डांस प्रमोशंस कंपनी. दे आर हैविंग देयर एनुअल डांस फेस्ट. इट्स अ फंड-रेजर डांस फेस्टिवल शोकेसिंग ऑल वर्ल्ड डांस फॉर्म्स ऑन वन स्टेज. अगर आपको याद है पिछले साल भी इन्होंने ये किया था एंड इट वेंट ऑफ रियली वेल विद अ होल लॉट ऑफ पीपल एंजॉयिंग ऑल द परफॉर्मेंसेस. सो वी हैव गॉट somebody from the Dancing Damsels who is going to tell us a bit more, shed more light on this. This is the program director of Dancing Damsels Inc., Shobha Shekhar. Shobha, welcome to Radio Voice, and how are you doing today?
Thank you so much, Amreen, and I'm doing very well. We first want to acknowledge and thank the Radio Voice team to give us an opportunity here to talk about the show.
It's really wonderful to have you on air. So you have organized this Toronto International Dance Festival, the DD Dance Fest 2015. So give us a little bit of an insight into what's going to be happening on October 24th.
Sure. So what we are intending to do here is to bring the variety of world dance forms on one stage. This is going to be about 25 dance performances that we are planning. And it's going to range from right from our Asian dancers from Bharatanatyam, Kathak, Kuchipudi to international dancers such as belly dance. We have tap dancing. We have swing dance and a variety. It's going to be a whole spectrum of visual treat to all the audiences.
So wonderful array of different kind of dances. आपको हर किसी किस्म के डांस का मजा उठाने का मौका मिलेगा. And just to let you know, ये हो रहा है October 24th, अगले next Saturday. And where exactly is this taking place? थोड़ा सा बता दें. And where can people buy tickets for it?
बिल्कुल. तो ये हो रहा है हमास्कियन वर्ल्ड क्लास थिएटर, which is also called the Armenian Youth Center. और ये 6 बजे से शुरुआत होगी इसकी पहले हम will have some light refreshments for the audiences. And other than that, we are saying that we'd like for everybody to purchase tickets and support us. Tickets are just $20 for regular tickets and $50 for the VIP tickets, and they are available through any one of our executive team members. They can call me 416-371-9942 is my number. They can also contact our executive director, Mary Ashok. The numbers are available on our website, which is www.ddshows.com.
All right, and you can also log on to ddshows.com. वहाँ पर से भी आप ऑनलाइन टिकट्स खरीद सकते हैं. $20 for the regular seats and $50 for the priority seating. तो ज़रूर अटेंड कीजिएगा. October 24th, Saturday. This is going to be taking place at the Hamaskian World Class Theatre, which is also called the Armenian Youth Center, which is at 50 Hall Crown Place in North York. 6 बजे शार्प शुरू हो जाएगा and अलग-अलग dances का मजा उठाने का मौका मिलेगा. Shobha, anything else that you'd like to add to this?
Sure, Samdeen, just a small information there. So हमारी online ticketing हमने close कर दी है. So they can contact Fawzia Khan at 647-793-4959. They can contact myself. I gave the number as well. Asha Vishwanath is our marketing director, who can be contacted at 647-389-8555. And at this time, I also want to take this little opportunity to thank our mega sponsors, Mr. Manoj Karata from Remax Reality and Latna Menon, who will be our major sponsors for this event. Without sponsors and without the support of audiences and participants, this doesn't happen. So definitely we look forward to everybody to be there.
And I'm sure everybody will be there. बहुत से अलग-अलग contemporary flamenco, salsa से लेकर Bollywood and international dances, Odissi, Kathak, Kuchipudi. There's belly dancing, African, Hawaiian, Tahitian dancing, Chinese, Japanese, Thai, hip hop, just about all kinds of dances on one stage. $20 for a ticket is not bad at all. So head down there. Fawzia Khan को call कीजिएगा 647-793-4959. You can also call up Shobha, who I'm speaking with, 416-371-9942. All the numbers are available on the website ddshows.com. October 24th at the Hamaskian World Class Theatre at 50 Hall Crown Place, also known as the Armenian Youth Center. Shobha, आपका बहुत शुक्रिया. Thank you so much for being with us on Radio Voice.
Thank you so much, Amreen. I really appreciate you. Have yourself a wonderful day.
Alrighty, you take care. आप सुन रहे हैं Radio